Welcome to the complete iPhone and Android photography course. I'm Flor from the Vale PH, my photography company, and I have more than 13 years of experience teaching and working professionally in corporate, fashion, and portrait photography. On this course, you will have a complete guide on how to take creative photos with your iPhone or Android and edit them like a professional photographer. You will first learn the basics on how to use the camera of your mobile, and then we will get deeper into camera lenses, how to control the lighting, and the best camera modes for different types of photographs. We will also cover my favorite part of photography, the creative side. You will master composition techniques, point of view, and I will share tricks to make your photos look amazing. I will show you examples of my own work for you to be able to understand the concepts. We will also talk about how to curate your own photographs and organize them in albums by genres or themes. At the end of the course, you will learn how to edit your photographs using two apps that are totally free, Lightroom and Snapseed. You will be taught the tools that professional photographers as myself use on our everyday work to improve the lighting, the color, and to also remove imperfections and create your own presets to apply to a bunch of photos. If you're interested to know on how to take the best out of your mobile and learn tips and tricks to improve your photography for your travels, your business, or your social media, this course is for you. At the end of it, you will be able to shoot creatively and edit like a pro with your own unique style. Without further ado, please pick your mobile and let's get started.